Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a 8-foot specialty bar. This bar is used in one of the local plywood mills, and we're going to repair it. It has a major problem on the end here. The chain got thrown and they ran it beside it, and you can see where it just tore the rail up really bad there. So we're going to grind that off, weld it, and repair this bar. This bar, if they were to replace it, it's about an $800 bar. So we're going to repair it for them. Hang in there. Okay, I've finished welding the defect up there. I'm going to use a surface grinder now to grind that down, and then we'll cut the groove out. We'll do a little finish up with the sander, make that surface real nice and smooth. Now we're going to square up that rail on the bar machine. Now, using a 063 gauge grinding stone, I'm going to cut what we welded, cut out of the groove, and this bar will be ready. And let's take a look at that. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done here. Got to polish up that bar a little bit, and it's all ready to go. And there's the finished product. Another usable 8-foot bar, ready to go back to the plywood mill.